So just a little update video. Here's the 305 Vortec 5 liter. Got it on the stand, got the rocker covers off, manifold, all the accessories, water pump. I'm just doing kind of like a damage assessment. So far, that manifold is, wow, so dirty. All because of this EGR system that pumps right into this manifold. That was a flawed design with these Vortex. I'm noticing this thermostat housing has started to eat in. Like you can see it's pitted. That's okay though. I'm pretty sure I could clean up and blast the whole manifold and it should be fine. I mean, I don't know yet. I didn't take it fully off. One thing that's interesting, if you notice this side, really brown and dirty. The other side looks a little cleaner. This valve cover gasket was leaking. So I don't know what the deal is. Dirt was either getting in there, maybe dirt was getting in the oil fill cap because it's on this side of the engine. I'm not really too sure. Maybe in the comments someone can shed light on that because it's really weird. It happens to be on the driver's side of the block when it's sitting in the vehicle. Took the flex plate off. The rear main wasn't leaking. It's a single piece rear main, not a two-piece. I drained most of the coolant, did not drain the oil yet. I'm gonna be doing that soon. I checked some of the spark plugs. I was gonna do a compression test or a leak down, and I said, screw it, I'm tearing it apart anyway. I'm obviously replacing parts if I'm even rebuilding this. I don't know yet. I might just go LS platform. I don't know yet. So far, damage assessment, I found some stuff. So because these are Felpro intake gaskets, I know they've been replaced before, and oh my god, those coolant passages, are they ever destroyed? This is one of them right here. That's the ones at the front. It's like collapsed pretty much. That one's also collapsed, and I don't know, I'm looking at the intake manifold and it has been eaten into. There's pieces missing, it's pitted. I don't know if I'm going to be reusing this intake manifold either, if I do reuse the engine. Oh my god, I'm going to need a new manifold or something. Unless I can get it machined or something, I don't know yet. But so far that's the damage. Now it's time to take the heads off. Smell. noticed when I was taking the head bolts out, a lot of coolant was like right at these lower bolts. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna drain the block from the small drain plug at the side before I go any further, make a bigger mess. Not much coming out, eh? I think there might be dirt in there. It's a lot of coolant in the block. Oh. Making huge messes, obviously. Making sure I didn't miss any bolts. No, it's probably just fused on there. Because it's been on there for God knows how long. Because I don't think the head gaskets were ever changed. So. Bigger pry bar, I'm not too sure. Maybe not. Okay. That's a heavy head. First thing I'm checking for is ring ridge. That tells you if there's any cylinder taper where the piston wears out the cylinder walls and it starts to, the piston moves a bit. And you also lose the cross etching for oil and lubrication of the cylinder walls over time when it wears out. But that's for another day because it's getting late. I gotta go home. I got work tomorrow. But this has been a good night, productive night. Just looking at how dirty this thing is crazy. But yeah, until next time, we'll have some more updates on what's going on with it. Thanks for tuning in, guys.